Today we will discuss properties of triangle. Okay? We will discuss properties of triangle. তো দেখো এটা এবারে এরকমই রাখো সব properties of triangle. প্রথমে first we have to learn the important formula. A by sin A equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C equal to 2R. Where ABC are the sides of a triangle, capital A, capital B, capital C are the vertices of the triangle, that is they are the angles of the triangle, and radius of the circle হচ্ছে 2R. Radius of the circle and R radius of the circle. A equal to B cos C plus C cos B. B equal to C cos A plus A cos C. After এগিয়ে যাও C equal to A cos B plus B cos A. A square equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. From this we have cos A equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. B square equal to C square plus A square minus 2AC cos B implies cos B equal to C square plus A square minus B square by 2C. C square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C implies cos C equal to A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB. Next we have tan A equal to ABC by R into 1 by B square plus C square minus C square. You have to remember this formula. Tan B equal to ABC by R into 1 by C square plus A square minus B square. Tan C equal to ABC by R into 1 by A square plus B square minus C square. Next sin A by 2 equal to square root of S minus B into S minus C by BC, where S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle. Sin B by 2 equal to square root of S minus C into S minus A by CA. Sin C by 2 equal to square root of S minus A into S minus B by AB. Next we have cos B by 2 equal to square root of S into S minus B by CA. Cos A by 2 equal to square root of S into S minus A by BC. Cos C by 2 equal to square root of S into S minus C by AB. Next tan A by 2. Tan A by 2 equal to sin A by 2 by cos A by 2, that is square root of S minus B into S minus C by S into S minus A. Tan B by 2 equal to sin B by 2 by cos B by 2. That is square root of S minus C into S minus A by S into S minus B. Tan C by 2, similarly we have sin C by 2 by cos C by 2, that is square root of S minus A, S minus B by S into S minus C. Next tan B minus C by 2 equal to B minus C by B plus C into cot A by 2. We have to prove this. Later we will prove this. Tan C by C minus A by 2 equal to C minus A by C plus C into cot B by 2. Tan A minus B by 2 equal to A minus B by A plus B into cot C by 2. Triangle delta equal to half of B sin A equal to half of C A sin B equal to half of AB sin B. AB including angle C sin C. Here delta is the area of the triangle. Next delta equal to square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where S equal to A plus B plus C by 2, semi-perimeter of the triangle. Next R equal to ABC by 4 delta. This is important formula. Tan A by 2 equal to S minus B into S minus C by delta. Tan B by 2 equal to S minus C into S minus A by delta. Tan C by 2 equal to S minus A into S minus B by delta. Cot A by 2 equal to cos A by 2 by sin A by 2, that is S into S minus A by delta. Cot B by 2 S into S minus B by delta. How will you remember B by 2? So here will be S into S minus B by delta. C by 2 cot C by 2, so here will be S into S minus C by delta. cot A by 2 A, so it will be S into S minus A by delta. You have to, in this way, we'll remember these important formulas. Now let us solve some problem. In any triangle ABC, prove that C into sin A minus B by 2 equal to A minus B into cos C by 2. So first A minus B by C, we will find this, A minus B by C. A means 2r sin A minus 2r sin B by 2r sin C, since A by sin A equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C equal to R. Now put these values, 2 are common, critical. This is cut. Now sin A minus sin B means 2 cos A plus A by 2 into sin A minus A by 2. Sin C means 2 sin C by 2 cos C by 2. Again A plus B by 2 means 2 cos pi by 2 minus C by 2. Since A plus B plus C equal to pi, A plus B equal to pi minus C. So A plus B by 2 equal to pi by 2 minus C by 2. 2 sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. So it will reduce to 2 sin C by 2 into sin A minus C by 2. Then it will 2 sin C by 2 into cos C by 2. Cut this, we will get sin A minus B by 2 by cos C by 2. So cross multiply C into sin A minus A by 2 equal to A minus B into cos C by 2. This is proved. Similarly, let us take another example, another problem. In any triangle ABC, prove that B square minus C square into cot A plus C square minus A square into cot B equal to A square minus B square into cot C. So we know that A by sin A equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C equal to 2R. So A equal to 2R sin A, B equal to 2R sin B, C equal to 2R sin C. Now this B square minus C square into cot A. B square minus C square means 4R square sin square B minus sin square C into cot A. 2R square 2 remain here. 2 sin square B minus 2 sin square C into cot A. 2R square into 2 sin square B means 1 minus cos 2B. 2 sin square means 1 minus cos 2C into cot A. Now simplified 1 minus cos 2B minus 1 minus 1 is plus cos 2C into cot A. 2R square, so cos 2C minus cos 2B into cot A. 2R square into cos A minus formula 2 cos 2 sin 2B plus 2C by 2 into sin 2B minus 2C by 2 into cot A. 2R square into, so simplify 2 into, simplify 2 sin B plus C into sin B minus C cos A by sin A equal to 4R square, 2 to the 4, sin B plus C means pi minus C, sin pi minus C into sin B minus C into cos A by sin A. 4R square, sin pi minus A means sin A, sin B minus C, cos A by sin A. Cut this, you will get 4R square into sin B minus C into cos. Cos A means pi minus B plus C. Since A plus B plus C equal to 0, so A means pi equal to B minus C. Pi minus B minus C. A equal to pi minus B plus C. Minus, so cos pi minus C minus 4R square, minus 4R square close karo. Sin B minus C into cos B minus 2. Now minus 2R square to common take put 2 here. 2 cos B plus C into sin B minus C by 2. Now write the formula minus 2R square into 2 cos B plus C into sin B minus C means sin 2B minus sin 2C using this formula. 2 cos A sin B equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. So ultimately we will get minus 2R square into sin 2B minus sin 2C. Then similarly we can write C square minus A square into cot 2B equal to, similarly this minus 2R square into sin 2C minus sin 2A. And A square minus B square cos 2C equal to minus 2R square sin 2A minus sin 2B. So left hand side, take the left hand side this, write this. Then instead of this we will have minus 2R square sin 2B minus sin 2C. Minus 2R square sin 2C minus sin 2A. Minus 2R square sin 2A minus sin 2B. Take minus 2R square common. We will get sin 2B minus sin 2C plus sin 2C minus sin 2A plus sin 2A minus sin 2B. Cut this all. Minus 2R square into 0 equal to 0. So the problem is proved. Next problem, important problem. In any triangle, prove that a square into sin B minus C by sin B plus sin C plus B square into sin C minus C by sin C plus sin A plus C square into sin A minus B by sin A plus sin B. We have to prove this. First, write this. A square sin B minus C equal to A into A sin B minus C A into A means 2 r sin A, A by sin equal to R. AR 2 sin A cos sin B minus C. AR into 2 sin A sin B minus C means 2 sin A means pi minus B plus C into sin B minus C. AR into 2 sin pi minus sin theta, sin pi minus theta equal to sin theta. So 2 sin pi minus B plus C equal to 2 sin B plus C into sin B minus C. So AR into 2 sin B plus C into sin B minus C, it is a formula to sin A sin B cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, like this. Cos 2C minus cos 2B. Now AR into cos 2C means 1 minus 2 sin square C minus 1 minus 2 sin square B. Since cos 2C equal to 1 minus 2 sin square C, multiple angle, in multiple angle, we learned this formula. Cos 2 equal to 1 minus 2 sin square B. So here into 1 minus 2 sin square C minus 1 minus 1 so plus 2 sin square B. Cut this 2AR sin square B minus sin square C. 2AR A square B square plus B minus B sin B plus sin C into sin B minus sin C. 2AR into sin B plus sin C. Sin B means B by 2R minus sin C means C by 2R. Since A by sin equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C equal to 2R. Next 2R into sin B plus sin C into, take 1 by 2R common, B minus C equal to, this means A into B minus C into, write this sin B plus sin C. That is from A square sin B minus C equal to this. So we can write A square into sin B minus C by sin B plus sin C equal to A into close karo B minus C. Similarly, B square into sin C minus C by sin C plus sin A equal to B into C minus A. And C square into sin A minus B by sin A plus sin B equal to C into A minus B. Now adding 1, 2, 3, we have A square sin B minus C by sin B plus sin C plus B square into sin C minus A by sin C plus sin A plus C square into sin A minus B by sin A plus sin B equal to, this means from this we have under this A into B minus C, so A into B minus C, similarly plus B into C minus C plus C into A minus B. Now AB minus AC plus BC minus AB plus AC minus BC, cut this so it is proved that A square sin B minus C by sin B plus sin C plus B square into sin C minus A by sin C plus sin A plus C square into sin A minus B by sin A plus sin B equal to 0. Let us take another problem. If in any triangle A square plus B square equal to sin A minus B equal to A square minus B square into sin A plus B, then show that the triangle is isosceles or right triangle. Now we will solve this problem. How we will solve this problem? A square plus B square into sin A minus B equal to A square minus B square into sin A plus B. Then write A square plus B square by A square minus B square equal to sin A plus B by sin A minus B. Now apply, you write componendo and dividendo. By componendo and dividendo. By componendo and dividendo, we have A square plus B square plus A square B square by A square plus B square minus A square B square. So this plus this plus this sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, or sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Now this will be cut. Here apply sin C plus sin D formula, 2 sin A plus D by 2 into cos A minus by 2. Here 2 cos A plus D by 2 into sin A minus by 2. Ultimately we will get A square by B square equal to sin A into cos D by cos A into sin B. Now cross multiply A square into cos A sin B equal to B square into sin A cos B equal to A square into cos A sin B. Sin B means B by 2R. Or cos A means we first we have learned this formula. Cos A equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. B square into sin A means A by 2R. Cos means C square plus A square minus B square by 2AC. We write here since A by sin A equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C equal to 2R. Using this formula, we have this. a square into b square plus c square minus a square equal to b square into c square plus a square minus b square. Now multiply a square b square plus a square c square minus it is a 4 minus b square c square minus a square b square plus multiple 0. This now this simplify this. This is the factorization. A to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. So it is a square minus a square minus b square whole square. So a square plus b square into a square minus b square. Now common a square b square, we have c square minus a square minus b square 0. Product of two quantities is 0. So either a square minus b square is 0 or c square minus a square minus b square 0. Now let us take let us this case a square equal to b square, a equal to b, neglecting negative sign. Since b, a and b are the sides of a triangle, sides cannot be negative. Here c square minus a square minus b square is 0. So c square equal to a square b square. So either a equal to b or c square equal to a square. A equal to b means isosceles triangle, or c square equal to a square b square means right angle triangle. Therefore, which implies either the triangle is isosceles or right angle triangle. Next day, we will discuss few more problems. Practice in your home these problems. Today is this much. Okay.